If not for you, I won't be here.
Muhammad Chira Mehono na Makaba Kono. Baby, on my Nikura also, I greet you and I salute you.
If not for you,
so when you're brand when I'm a summer, FD Adom 106.3. Say how our country, I want to make some so crow and your crassy. Yan watch it. Say you'll be treated as Santimampon. Yami crew. Yan watch Yami or farmer. Watch Yaman and no mamma. I watch them at it.
I give my praise to you, Lord. If I am here,
Mama Christo asemano entena mumu bebre mon chire na mon kasanchire mo ho nyansa nyine mo emfasankuo eso adwom ene ayeye adwom ene hohom enyom ento odeso ewo mo akoma mu ema onyankopon na bibiara moye no kasemu ene yoyomu monye ni nyina ewurade Yesu din mu emfaso ena ejenyankopon ase. Colossians chapter 3 the verse number 16 and 17. Mama Christo asemano entena mumu bebre. Sebri bi hono ma betimi de achia ona metu for na show cry and a juada no pay.
I'll never be.
Mama Christo asemono entena mumu bebre. Mon chire na mon kasanchire moho. Nyansa nyine mo emfasenkuo eso adwom. Ene ayeye adwom ene honhom endwom ento adwom odeso ewo mo akoma mu ema onyankopon. When you say enema makenkan ya Paul twere say enka ye de ye adwuma say ye de ye adwuma when you say enka sa ya de atese no enko abrase when you say enka ye de ye adwuma momma nyame asem entena mumu bebre. Ana wonyene ho sa ade bi esiwi asebia no emre dodo a wo ma de kro no so no na de kro no ogentre sa ade na gentre a ne ye boni dawro ne ye gentre nanso so ade bi e wo wi asebia no e wa no aduru ade bi e wo wi ase bia wa no aduru. Every challenge has an antidote. Everything. Yes, Mufie, our penny wa. There is an antidote. Yes, Mufie, a Juma, Ubia, Juma Nenya. There is an antidote. Every situation, every crisis, it has its solution. Paul Afutuya, Wadema, Colose, Asafono. Ose Mama Christo asemno entene mumu bebre mon chire na mon kasanchire mo bransana metumi akasa na ma chire no I must be educated. So what do you say? Se me asemna entene mi mu bebre ya mintimi nya bi nkan chire obi. And so the first thing is for me to educate myself. Mama semono, ma sempa, ma semwa eyen kwansem, menyan sakasa. And when you feel your spirit, your mind, your body with the word of the Lord, and when we talk about the word of the Lord, we are talking about a living word. The word that bring life in activeness. Mama Semono Entina Mama Christo. It was a very specific. Mama Christo Asemono Entina Mumubebre. Bebre. If you want to overcome your person, didn't near me beer, and they are brabo con, and they are sitting there con, and they are health con, and they are my education con. Yamania 79 Mubebre Yanum, and then you are day. Sabinomi, no, you when you as a foreign name and Asian and turn to it and come for Mano. My encouragement will be, let us allow the word of God dwell in us richly. Richly. And I do anyamia samo try mo bebre no. You bet me a church. You bet me a kasa. Actually, you wunyan send name. Kasa no so the other kasa. But you must speak in wisdom. Enya kasa ni se kasa polo. Nya kasa tentene ye. Ebetima ye kasa tietia nanso so it carries volumes. So ba choti ye mention na sede. Wo betimi akasa. Mentimi nya okasa awesa obekasa na ya na hear me. It can be very brief. Very precise, straight to the point, well articulate. Precise. One more Facebook. But it doesn't really speak anything. And you know motivate me, mama. Yeah, Juma, yeah. To me, but I just say, one person just say, walk to school. But what children say, Abba, it can be very precise, simple. The simplicity. If I will be a cabra for Kurano or cabra for Cassiano on Tibrof, will be our Tibrof panel, then summer cannot, simple English, simple presentation. Grassroots person cry tienwa otiasie. Yo betin tama brofu hegrade pregredi mix up with that other simplicity. Well, good morning. Mama Cristo Asawano Entina Mumubebre. Edian 72 mune. Edian 7 Adebanantene. Now what are the words that I feel you heart? Bebre. When you show us and can say tonight Mubebra and Kagana. I didn't can cost us out. Yes, I see a fight is in temper. But the Niama a Tia Mono. Selina Medas is our bones. Emmanuel J, good morning from Germany. Hey, Josie. F1. Adia was so many true bebre, no, and yet you could I yell with your mammy, yell with your papa, yell, and I bear I say, and I said them, and I said, you say, me mammy, me papa, madame, Obugusu, free Jim, and you don't know what's show. Let the word of the Lord dwell in you in abundance, richly. And you may tell woman, I suffer with me, I surrender me to you, I do myself for, and you're not a father, and you're not a member, you overcomer. For you to be an overcomer is letting the word of the Lord dwelling in you. Let it stay in you. Wobema nyame asɛm na atena wo mu bebre memfa wadwene mfa wo mogya emfa wakoma sɛ nyame asɛm ne trɛ mu bebre a one instruction ohoro wansa kata ohene facilities aye wansa apply social distancing so afuka we simple and no be ba me feel just na near je obachiam zo social distancing gina ba bia ugina no me offend no be who na for so many years but just say adibi odoma ba wi ase as a semi apply fa de kata ohene keke ye gina wo de kata wo timi se wo feel comfortable Ayine kan wasi ade de me de sha mentimi kura me fi anya wonko a ye nyina I see ye nshede nibra emu adwosa ana pa na me dwene wa free na o man pagire kasa me se hwe nkrofo ekunu no ma na yire no ma na nkrofo ma wu she fridge bu pa anya sam ketwa etu fi se ya no man pagire wo pe eti se ya wo pe baby That's who be see a nipa aduonu no. Obi say wuni ma yie dodo amakọ ameme enkrofo baba beja me 25. That is the challenge that we have. I wish you me pacho. Adia ye betimi dia combating the challenges that we are facing. Me no me nyina. Yamanya me asemanya big and ya big and ya big and bigger. Bigger, biggest. Bigger, biggest. And no man panini can or come a mitipa. Was when him say parents. They all can samasana, a mama just watch a makuma to me. Nakra. Was when him say parents. They say I come on sub on extra bills. Because Nenka will fear we hear Wi-Fi. But I compulsory now. Now, when you hear computers, sir, they say, well, man, say, who won't quadra by 5 and 10, they will fear. You'll understand. Also, could I be a laptop or whatever? I was saying, you are all the time or so pet. No schools, not sending emails. Obianco Google Classroom, Obianco Zoom. And now, say parents, and also more to 1 more years supervision. Why your supervision? I could add on to the computer or the media grow. Or the media grows is here. It's a message saying, oh, you're bad time where Jumana Bebroswatra. First, no one can sorry, I know a jump Kodano. And so, what to the fear now, Shan Quadano said, I was number to me at now, one class. And Kodano should be crowds on Omotra and Zoom and Google Classroom. Okay, and Kurani Picasso. And Granny Picasso, what do we say? I will form a Juma papa. Teacher no Casana, Kurani Kure man son. Cheek. Kurani be bisa questions. Na send me or be wine as some crack catch the teacher no business. To bring on be some man said, what did you say? Your children. What do we say? I could met cheek yankasa. Where's the teacher that did nobody did? I will give you the answer, okay? What do you want to go to your will be back? Maybe I'm a meeting in Jay. So we have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. Medasi Kwaku. As I'm listening and learning with you live from Germany. But I believe in that opportunity so that we learn. Yes, and yes, but you need to be versatile. You need to upgrade yourself as a communicator. As a sophomore, upgrade yourself. Course you won't pay Kurano. They say the Adiba and courses be on my hair, you know, by force. Mental health, whatever, you need to do it. So that that you speak from the Bible and you speak from the science point of view. Abusia, Mama Kristo asam no ntena mu bebre. And run your Mother's Day. The news said you know Mami Dino. Now your Mother's Day. It was one of the best. I had nobody said you did it. It was one of the best. Apostle Len Kofi Nia Kasai Papa. I pay added to the sorry radical crowd. Manasam to the Mubebre. Was this an answer to the Mubebria? The benefits in this is also for us. Now, a Tremubebria, Moba Church, no Macasa Chiramoho. Senyamia Sam to the Mubebria, a benefit to society. A swaba. Senyamia Sam, a Yatina Mubebria, a chain virus. So what does it? Senyamia Sam to the Mubebria, a chain virus. Hey, because what the Watiano Nelson Betty Emmanuel Betty Ayua Betty Na Samiati the America Krana me Martino. I must share it. That is why what Facebook you won't share. You are not fulfilling the scriptures. Share. But unless it dwells in you richly, Sentimian Tinamu Bebria. I buy a day so benye biaka. Was an affair Monchile. Namonka Sanchiramo, it just said at Chinawumuansa.
What to me?
I just said Chinawumuansa.
New one, but then I'll be to me.
I just said Chinawumuansa.
Not Tinano dwelling as a permanent. And yes, I say, why once a while walk of a dear goom. And ya dear a tumuda. Ne tumwa and I would to me be. Adom be. There was a monka sanche mohomo. And Banyamia sem no edos wumua. And say a no deno and a ma a no any whom etumi pee. Na a pia a boabi brebi. The more no as 7 woman. What shall yes a what to jum? Eti obibe hunu wenimu pa wenimu munano. Are difficult? Because then and 7 abua no ewo woman. Oso de beto ensanku hodwom enwom aye wodada yeto enti wonam nyina no inse so wo badwene de obi aye wo de obi aka ena ne yesi yade we ena yesese no efe na wa hyase adwom dada bi a wo ho no na wa madwom no ring bell in you senyamia sab trai mo bebrea wo bato sanku hodwom dada mebo wo sanku da. Eti wote kamuo wona mkwamuo nyefe na obadwenjene ena de asumasi ya me de obinte ya me you begin to sing songs out from your spirit. Yemfa nti papa bede ne
bebe o mic no why pacho
bede ne hunsenku ne yafa ni nyina sese nyame asem tie mu a ebe kyere ya de kora ene senku kora a woso ye den yafa ye de todwum. Nti so amana ntram bebre a wanhwe ya na ensegobu abefa na nsusu na nya ade a ebetumi aboa. Nti se o ma Yesu Kristo hu nsem tramu a eboa ma wu ensenku a ewosa wofa at a particular point in time. Nti yemfa ne se so obi ukọ amane mu ne ahokyere mu a esense nyame asem etiwu bebre no uhunu enwum automatically enwum no pie fi mu. Nti bo sa wo to dwom na papa pepi yemfa sa anopa wa ya sori na wa sori awurade bebre na wo to dwom opia within the day nyina wo ha na sa dwom kro no na ese piwa no wo ha na sa dwom kro na ese piwa no ese se eno na wo de share ase ese se o ma nyankopon asem etena wu
manyame asem entena wu mu bebre eya wo wasadio enyame me yewsu ansam asadio. Don't think say I must read and learn and study the word and come and pour it. One kasan so
makwan
manyame asem susuma wukunu ho asem ne woyire ho asem ne wo ma ho asem ene aban ho asem ena yade aba ho asem enti bibia abawiase bia na ade a yade combat yade ko ade kropa na ye allowing the word of Christ to dwell Let the word dwell. Ma asemono kwine. Ma asemono kwine. Ma yaresa asemo kwine. Ma kasachire efutuo won samu a woteno. Abra ebede die te se ampa. Nyamesema wuta tie na no, wutie pa no. Eye wamra challenges beba. And then you bring why it is wo dwan ehunu emura wo wia ne wo de bia sanimfum puamu wo dwan bia namoa wo de check enwan wo namoa wo be wa se eye aso wo kogina esre bia ho ba mo so ye wo wesa eye aduane na da ohunu no be ye 5 hours ago no enu obubu bi no de asanimfum puamu and what hide no it our reservoir or drive beer a poor drive beer or reservoir I want a yam yeah no a poor ba yeah from remnant aye so no poor ba the funu ye 9 yeah no a poor ba aha it ye de ni nyina ma ne nko ye funu tuo num and ye see wo purisa abusua ya bra bode ye nkunim de agina ye mpurisa Nyameseba utie ne matter is Anglican. And utie no SD and utie no Church of Christ no. Utie no radios no. Abra wukuno air punch waro no purisa. Abra wo yiri do atem no purisa. Wa abra economy no maya de ne purisa. Wa abra yade bi pese chewo no empurisa brenie. Bebreba ya ko se on Bishop Emma Tembia me conscious sometimes obi be gidi won semu na o person o kwasora o say ko Bible believing church. Yes. Why do we say that? So that you can get more rich food. Baby o ko unte rich food. Nya aduane a eye dani asetra no haw ne amane ba empurisa beba. Didi gufumpuanum ene yefrumpuanum ayomwa no wa so ho kakra na aka wodi onyankopon kaye efi se twere no se ne aye akoma ma abusuo no eno na epie ma ano nso so ka wo nu so obi a odi atembebra eya ade a wona koma mu bebre nya by mistake accumulative ni nkura accumulate ayeye atemdidie anoya empuatwa kuru de opempu atwa na menchire firi ni mofrase eniema waboaboa no accumulation etino oh say esubia wuyi na di eban bia wuyi na di is as a result of what you have accumulated in you. Eniema wodi agu mu no. Enti say won say ukunu bufu basabasa, wo yiri fu basabasa, wo manu bufu basabasa. Enye na yo. Eye niema no akokoso wo fie ho no ma omoaboaboa no. Bible say enya asema ekonipa mu ne gu ne ho fi. Ye fi ni mu. Na de free ni mu ba. If I nya wo dressing and I just say we a gentleman. Name when you speak. We be a one and someone waka and a chilly pursua. We ye. And a pair you know, shia de a dear na wushia, dear na wofa, a dear now day bobra, and your Mother's Day, a dear na wushia, a dear now fire. Ye can and nura a hase as a so maybe some tear dear sabako say, woman me, also Jan and Yamambino. Strength and dignity. Strength and dignity. As I say, woman, me, be on my done who di strength and dignity. Was so yenesa, a beman ne one animono, in fear one animono, unsuru de biarada. What kind of strength have you given to your parents, your mother, your father? And mama afenye daze kanya mesemwa ye ba be wi na Isaiah chapter 1 na mabie da hai ode ye kwegina ho no mo pai mu wa mu gina mu ade na ode a share umfumpu mu. Let the word of God dwell in you richly. But I'm say more Facebook, more today, and some more today. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. But let us all put it into practice. na yɛbɛkasa aso akyerɛ yɛ ho enti obi a ɔte nyame asɛm na ɔtie nyame asɛm na ɔde wura ne mu bebree no definitely you have your society. You have the society. Ubekasa. Ohronsa. Sanitize onsa. Share mask. Social distancing. Ubeye. Na dia na bafom. Na siyasi nya. Isaiah chapter 1 says, Samope. Namutia. Samope. Namutia. Ubedi asase na so nipa. Just an Bible on it.
Na mutie twia dia afana besemo mo apre enra na do kan sem bishop na me yebhye me o say 500 and nipa dodo bi over 500
o say nipa ba akopɛ
ne e supply ni na ma wo
nipa ba akopɛ one person and we infected 500 people enti Bible say ye city se mo pɛ na mutia mo pese yade ne ko na mutie dia sa mo pedia na mutia eti sitie is the key sitie me no me no yebeye is the key, nothing else.
And this is not a time where say will be friend who says of war say or threaten president say one lift here aso train be banner so oh yes
really
yes.
Ghana
for on.
Dabio, Misabi Mintreda. Mentripoda.
Friday, I don't for friend.
I saw Trebeba or Mampaniano. Now I don't want Paniano wire. I saw him. Oh, I see. Where me Mintia, and I'm not more kind of
Pussy, a man of directions now. You know, Jinama, Pussy, and I said, was he Cassa.
No, but so for Tobria, Ubua or Cassa, Shana Psyche, the psycho, never person be used another song. But Filipano, the Dimuna, as a Oyoke. And yes, and the Pano call to John, no call to Matthew. Actually, say we in Yaminipa. Enti ninyina no ya mommy amfa
nkron oko to hwe ni wa oko to ede na tini mu ono oko to bibi ya na yase grofo bi wo ha nipa di wo
ezofo ejebo ha agiro ede na program mo be ha me program anu
adabi Bible say akra nyina mrebre on ho ase nhye tumi a e wanyu ani
ever be menteye
enti wo no Bible ben wo no working kan Bible ben working kan
o ven pa no papa o hwe no
said okay me bobiare ni bosu
who said problem you
that is now one journalist was no etobrewi omo pesa ankrofo no no beso omo capture wo mo no omo dey say Christo sum nyina o no ye nyina yam ye ni na ho ade did the sound pastors no omo nkonko bisa wo mo wo me bukwa ko bisa ankrofo bi a atie simu dada no omo ko bisa no omo dey aba na ya dey ridicule Christo sum. I'm telling you that some of the journalists too, they have the agenda. They have the agenda. They always want the Christianity to be ridiculed.
Ono ankasa is into media. Nipa krono. Ono won a whole station. Hono declares adiwe. And the stations heard about him. Ni ashase ni.
So for into the yati na ni efre.
The bia.
The yati na osi efre ni edi akire. Nani say guy o man bebo
it is samo penamutia
dia mo be di asase ne so nepa
na second part ni yemi hu samo ampene na motia twia afra besemo
sekan ebekomo
mo ampene
enti city is the key in this life
samo ampene
so we use mempene
samo ampene
mempene men sha mask no men wo horo men sa
afna no
di ho
nanso so what so yes we
afna no enjese bia wo sika ene wa ahia wa sore so afna no ho sika no di ho
Romans 13 ho no kai ba fom a obehu se wo se enye kwa na o mukura afna no enye kwa na o mukura afna no afna no kura wo mo
anopa ka me yase me to me Mother's Day nsem so and I say makofa we aba me kwa mente but yeah can say no yeah the besia I was but yemfa sa asem mfanya adwuma yi Samo penemutia. The year can say be cra with the matem. What dear, son a few more frabrim, one way a yasa now the enemy. Yeah, why accumulate at him the diano yes, suban phone suban tantai and ya. One way. It one found Kuran Crawford and I would be at him. Ababa will be a cousin, John and a boy that one make Casasia, no dimatavia, ya know them say about no Kuran. Teacher catch him, I'm saying, so catch her was there. Was there? And they wouldn't your finding and I know catch them. With the matem. Trouble, papa, in trouble. Some open with ya. Mubedi asas and the power Ghana how. Neso see am pentie dia. Am pentie.
One penny na moti
etria so dia. Sika no so wo ho. E betwa.
E be se wo. Afi na ye de sofo bi atumu a ye say ose ye ma omamfa nkramre as Ghana sofo say ye nye law abiding. Wo ko 4 years.
Afi mo betunka
4 years.
Abusia mommy empena yentie. Se mo pena mutia. Dia bay enye normal days. Manso mommy empena yentie. Yenya asomre. One the catcher will say, I saw the enemy jina enye de. Papa. Disobedient is a disease. And that is very true. Aswade biara Bible krasi aswade to say be. Ever to be our disobedient child be a Bible for say we are witchcraft. We are bayfo. Enyan.
Ayen.
Breye yo. Sana opasi afrewo. Yes, we were once. Be by the power of the Holy Ghost. Hey, Yesu Christo. Kenka Yohani asempano. Ye betina kokuno ne branso ye no. Udane ye. Na de branso nyesu osuro. But no one say our agenda, our mission, our purpose. We live this life purposefully.
Our conscience and our hunim.
Ma wa hunim na ho. We ehu na achechere mo ehu ne sai na de eda ni asada kromewu bas ebre no nso ya mintum rika nkohia no
abazari pa na o kasankra no ifia wotu no oda wotu na anu ze nyame o ha oda mantum ja no sa
abusia ya de besia na ya chia mo nyina na nkam wo central se me de manra center there Patos AIB Patos woman I introduce you new product a friend of Cento a sanitizer yede ensem yede ye ka pona hono na wo fie crowd spray go ananse na emwa bi wo baby na ade krasi yes yetimi kukum niema ene ya mimia piu kekewu amakai madam fubunu ni bia yo say mo say corona ba mo ya na mo de mo ka mo de twam so eno aka se me send abro wo say mo say corona ba mo ya so me kuro mo de mabo mi kofi na me dado na me di mi menken na me di mi madam for me over so me ana pio keke a year juma papa agozi ajuma e dey asema atwemani e dey asem okay all right so Santo ope no dodo atu 054 111 0136 054 111 0136 another 024440 9092 Santo baby what kakra bi wa hanam time nso time ya me pese me sorry o mabo mumba yo de yapon ye de mumma me nya no Wednesday sanya aka 2 minutes all right 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 with him quick maybe sound say me hono enra sent ye Mother's Day no nyame semo ye kai na ha no when ya obetimi atwa ba akon de na mama afenyida azekai de na Apostle Len Kofi Kai a dear na baba one wawo disabled child no enso catch ye wucha na me was sent on the amount na dia kwa mama and sent on a paxa and it's really good mama come home so are they ready all right the wow man so dia so na catch the mama the wow man so onyame asomdwe enka kafra. Let me go to the next person. The woman so nyame asum die nka ho. Me ba chon here. Jacob. All right. And where we here? Okay. Come on, coach me. O ma me ti ase.
Pachomi mami ofimo.
Afimo. Okay. It enra Ediana Oceano Adom Chapel. Why Diana Usia Ediana fire na mema o center ba ko fa koma. Nti wo di center na de koma wan.
Dia mi sua ani se bra ya mami afanyi that's bye.
Yeah.
O ni e kasa o kan bibi se o ko preach wo baby. Mami ba ko ya o ko preach na ya introduce se wawo na wayese no si no wa introduce ni na mami enye obi a wachim ewu pe but obi a wotimi afa obi die a oye ni yi onu so oye o mami oye batan
that is powerful. That is powerful. So was sent to Hanom Obaba Baje sent on anti Jinasona Yama code be Ubaba sent on Hawaii. Thank you very much. Abusia, that is what we are trying to do. Santo, one moment about Jumedia who can run us here, but none line no program. No, so I heart. And our daughters were, you were a blessing to us. You were a blessing to us. And also for my Ukrainian other team members, Moya Emmanuel. More for next person and so now. The woman so Yami Adom Ahengua.
Thank you very much.
Yes, my darling.
Matthew, I mean, no, that. And then you papa.
Miss, when you have papa.
Me, I could see I'm freshman Medina. Matthew, that.
I could see Medina.
That Matthew, son, minimum bubashi cram.
Baby, I'll call what here. Obaka, I'm using what I wouldn't be bubashi, and I wouldn't be pa. Or line I cut. I was line cut. Yes, our friend. Now, my mouth sent tobacco. Miss, our question about okay, bubashi inquiry, and I just wouldn't be pa. Bubashi, dear, my papa. The one man said, Yami Adom Ahengua.
And it's your con.
Maybe I want you. Hey, coffee. Now, ask our friend you are.
My friend will come out you.
Half me one.
I'm sure, Papa.
Oh, go be right. I'm in the man like a baby. Oh, man, like a baby.
Oh, the dad.
Oh, today I'm your uncle. Monzo, the man.
My mini animal.
Okay, and the budget something I come on. I make a double wound, no, make a double wound. But, Goffy, another it's a chapel now.
With him, I'm watching her. And my bed, no matter.
Okay, and a coffee, bye bye. Coffee, Nadia, yes, woman with a chapel. The wow message of Adom Ahengua. As of Jan Kenyamisa, Yamishra or my Croncro Ghana. Mimi program the Sani Jesu. Come on,
Yo.
Yamishra or my Croncro Ghana.
Yamisha, my Croncro.
I don't so Beshra Ghana.
Oh, there, hey, no, Miami. Hey, say Ghana first. But I want it.
Isaac, and now with you an upper program now.
Oh, and then the enemy here.
And then you know, oh, and Isaac, and I won't can't give to them. Oh, Isaac,
many papa.
So,
why you or software as in your Cassayan? From Mumbian Fahu Brassia, and from my woman Penny.
Okay.
Shabby, I saw for. I don't when you and who should be power.
Memo be a designer, Mimpano, and Mimpesa, Mimpesa. But I don't want to mention any man of God on my program, Mimpesa, because my Antonio di Panacayana, I don't want to create any Ibiama Menyawe. The Awa man so Jamia Adom Ahengua.
No, Miss Ghana.
Maybe I want here.
Gloria.
Auntie Gloria, baby Abacordia, and happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Now, we didn't have some so.
Chapter 1. Good.
18, you say. See a pretty, you baby on mine, you baby the path. Na say young premier and dia afra maybe your name.
Afna
the question see you the boy and bra.
Thank you. Me ba chojina line so me was center park ba ku bi de mawa o de be ye adwuma wo fie wate. Me ba chojina line so. But mo concentrate wa hade me na mo ye adwuma na o de me. De wa man so nyame adom kan.
Yamisho man kung Ghana.
Me pacho one here.
From your point, me first
Teshi. And now when I sorry no pano.
Me pacho.
Very good. I didn't know see I. And I didn't now catch it on my men so. Oh, I Jerry. Well, line on our kafra. Okay. Me fancy. The one man so yami adom count. Nyame adom nka. Nyame adom nka.
Hello.
Nyame adom nka.
Nka so.
Dabi, nyame shiro man kronkron Ghana.
Yeah, shiro man kronkron Ghana.
Thank you. Pacho hweni?
Pacho
Lucy, enu ade na osu ade na afa ye na ade na ka kire o maame te ase de.
Maame afi ni nuanom ho.
Okay, to wo she wo mo.
Bye.
And right now, we free Jumedi. So,
the Messiah say, so what would the February and non say in a kitchen?
Thank you.
Thank
you.
Mani, he saw no see any pack.
Thank you.
Only I know about time to the Aqualan Mount. It is shiny. And
Rawutie Yampa. Janasona Yabema Central. And also the Abo Brawate. But I say, Yamin shall be brain, Yamin shall be brain, Yamin shall be brain. There were Manosoro, Mamma Fan Chatro, Mamma Fan Chatro, or Chanana Matras, say a big idea. Say, okay. All right. Thank you very much. I'm afraid you know all center Hana Mana teacher with me my very good answer at the moment. Ochina Mehese Medibi Becca oh Ochina Nadia Medibi Becca name of this Wednesday. Yamedi chair near me pacho. Minimum so my me strength and dignity. Manyan Tuma Idifra me. Strength and dignity. We are breaking Isaiah chapter 1 in Enra Mama Fanny Dazi, Ushrai. Enra, Mammy Si, Ishrai. Enra, Osofoba, Apostle Lane Coffee, Ishrai. They spoke to all of us. Mamma Yemfanya Juma, na Yemfamoyabra. Or from Yao, Uswansa, Osofweje, and a Fay Ofariata. And you may share more YOA. Ya twa, your prayer marathon also. Prayer and Talks Marathon. Audio type YOA on a Facebook. We are doing every night. Thank you very much. And I pray for you. And you too pray for me. I still wish all of you Wednesday I will do it. And to come when I need that phone, let it be around. Over to me, Akasa. Over to me, so send a message on 0509 15 10 10. 0509 15 10 10. What your mama listen of Fabra, Koswa Fabra, the whole week. A coming program, so I come in Bible, Miss McCown Bible. Mobiana Yan Horoyansa, Omayana Yan Shamask, Omayana Yan Fast Sanitize and Yan Sahon. So, Kobe be a social distancing. Happy Mother's Day to every mother. Every mother. Or you're disabled and should I say, well, you're useless. Oh, mommy, is here now. Touch me hard. 0541110136. 4% on bia ofra baby I will be on bet me at a supply. Free delivery. And I say call Goyle filling station bia ubenya sent on the business so at all. But I see bebre from here. Oh swans. I love you. I wanna find you on the better upon the radio no better chow.